Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all. This is a tutorial on online registration process for NUM's Mdcat and Aptitude Test 2020. Please visit NUM's website and admission portal at www.numspark.edu.pk. On the homepage of the website, you will find the banner NUM's Mdcat and Aptitude Test 2020. Click the banner to get registered and fill the application form. Click on the Click Here option to register. If not registered already, click the Registration here first. Registration panel will open. You will enter your details. Your CNIC, name as per SSC certificate, your email address, and set password. Confirm your password, enter the above given words and click register. Now go back to login panel. Please enter user ID, that is your CNIC, and password. Enter the above given words and click to login. This online registration form will open. Read the steps carefully and complete the registration form as depicted in steps 1 to 6. Step 1. Profile information. Enter your date of birth mentioned on CNIC or Form B, parents or guardian name, parents or guardian CNIC, select your gender, select your province and your district, enter your current postal address, your active mobile number, telephone or landline number. Now carefully read the entire information if it's all correct. Proceed by clicking the Save and Next option on the right bottom of your screen. Step 2. Test City Choice. In this section, select your suitable province and city you would like to appear for entry test from the given options. After choosing the desired option, click Select and proceed to next step. Step 3. Academic information. In this section, you will select your past examination, whether metric or O-levels, the correct name of institution attended, board of examination, marks obtained, total marks, percentage, and year of passing. Cross-check all the information and click Save button to proceed. In this section, you will add your FSC information. Similarly, select your past examination HSSC or A-levels, correct institution name, board, marks obtained and total marks, percentage, year of passing. Now carefully read the entire information and proceed to next section by clicking Save button. Step 4. Download Challan form. You will be issued a bank deposit slip. Print the auto-generated deposit slip and deposit in any HBL branch countrywide. Candidates are required to visit nearest branch of Habib Bank Limited countrywide to deposit ₹3,000 application processing fee latest by Monday 7 September 2020. Step 5. Upload scanned documents. Candidates are required to scan and attach following documents with online application form. Recent passport size photograph of the candidate with blue background, selfie is not allowed. Copy of CNIC or Form B of the candidate, front side. Copy of CNIC or Form B of the candidate, back side. Copy of matriculation SSC certificate or result card issued by concerned BISC, equivalent certificate issued by IBCC. Copy of HSSC pre-medical result card issued by concerned BISC, equivalent certificate issued by IBCC. paid copy of fee challan. Please choose the file from desired location on your desktop and click Upload. Repeat the process for all the mentioned documents. After completing application form and attaching the required scanned copies, please click the final Submit button to submit your application form. Step 6. Submit application. Please note that you would not be able to edit any information after submitting your application. Good luck!